Let's take a look at how to create our iPad Air amplifier base on Mastercam X5. We already have it saved from AutoCAD Inventor. We're going to click on X5 Mastercam. When the program loads up, you're going to X out in the top right hand corner of the licensing agreement. Then you're going to green check for the licensing agreement. In the upper right hand corner, when this menu pops up, we're going to X out in the top right hand corner. And this is what our program Mastercam looks like. We're going to go to the top menu. We're going to click on Open. That's the yellow folder with the green arrow in it. We're going to change our look-in directory, and we want to go to our H drive. That should be first initial, last name, 000. Next, we're going to take and locate our step file. Right now, the type of files that we're looking at are MCX. We want to take and change this to step file. And we should get our iPad amplifier to show up. We were looking at our iPad Air amplifier base. Right here, we're going to click to select it and then green check mark. Next, we're going to take and go to the top pull-down menu. We're going to click Machine Type, go to Mill, Manage List. I already have this machine defined over here on the right-hand side. I'm going to take it away from here and show you how I did this. When you show up, there's nothing on the right hand, or when you come to this menu, there's nothing on the right hand. We need to add this machine type. So here on the left, we're going to take and scroll all the way down to the bottom. We're going to select MP Techno X5 and click Add. That defines the machine over here on the right hand side. Green check mark. Then we need to go to Machine Type, top pull down menu, click, go to Mill, and right here is where that is defined. MP Techno X5. We want to click to select this. That takes and puts our machine type in the browser here on the left hand side. Techno Mill. I want to click on the plus mark in front of Properties. Then I want to go to Stock Setup. Next, I want to click on the top left corner, this one right here, top left corner. I want to make sure that X, Y, and 0 for my stock origin is all zeroed out. X, Y, and Z are all zeroed. Then I'm going to click my All Solids button. It enters in my shape of the block and thickness, and then green check mark. Next, I'm going to come up here to the top, and I want to click on Isometric. It looks like a wireframe box. And next, I want to click on the Shaded. Looks like this blue circle that's up here. Then we're going to go to Fit Screen. Click this button here. And now your computer screen should look something similar to this. Next, we're going to tell the computer how to cut our part. So we're going to go up here to the top pull-down menu, go to Toolpaths, and we're going to Pocket. This should come up as your last name, amplifier base. If it's not, you want to enter in your name here and amplifier base. Click the green check mark. Next, we want to click our Solids button for selecting 3D surfaces. Click Solids. And then I want to take and I want to click these 1, 2, 3 surfaces. Make sure you're not clicking these planes over here. It's the flat surfaces that they turn white. So I'm going to start with the top rectangles, click, and it turns green, click, and it turns green, click, and it turns green. I'm sorry, click and they turn yellow. Then I'm going to green check mark, and here's my tool path for Pocket. I'm going to run this menu down on the left hand side for us. Please follow along. I'm going to select my tool, select Library Tool. I want to choose my 235, which is a 1/4 inch flat end mill. Tool number 235. Green check mark. Next, I'm going to go to cut parameters, and I want to change this from standard to open. Pocket type needs to get changed from standard to open. Next, I'm going to go to entry motion. I'm going to turn my entry motion off. I'm going to go to finishing, and I'm going to change my cutter compensation from computer to control. I'm going to change my depth cuts. Oh, finishing. Next is lead in and lead out. I'm going to deselect lead in and lead out to turn it off. Next is going to be depth cuts then. I want to check to turn depth cuts on, and I want to enter in a maximum rough step of 0.25. Next, I'm going to go to linking parameters. I want to make sure that my retract gets changed to absolute. My feed plane gets changed to absolute. Once I have those selected at absolute, I'm going to green check mark. Your screen should look something like this. Next, I'm going to go to my browser, and I want to go to G1, which is post my selected operations. Click G1. I want to make sure that NC file is check marked right here, and I'm going to green check. I'm going to save this to my H drive. Remember, that is in my first initial last name 000. The file name that goes in here, iPad Amplifier Base and CD, we're going to leave that alone. Click the green check mark. Once you click the green check mark, the Mastercam X editor file is going to show up. For your viewing, we're just going to X out in the top right hand corner. Next, we want to verify our selected operations. That's this tool right here, Verify Selected Operations, right next to G1. Once your screen looks like this, we're going to click the play button. And you want to call Mr. Lammers or Mr. Bowen over at this time in order to view what your part looks like. Green check mark. Next, we're going to click the X in the upper right hand corner in order to close Mastercam out. Do you want to exit Mastercam? Yes. MCX file 5 has changed. Would you like to save it? Yes. And we're going to put this into our H drive, first initial last name 000, iPad Air Amplifier Base, green check mark. Now we're done and we're ready to cut our part. We're going to go to our CNC Mill on the left hand side, click to launch. We're going to click the Translate Execute button. We're going to select our iPad Air Amplifier Base and select Open. Click OK. We want to preview first. Now is when you want to call Mr. Lammers or Mr. Bowen over to take a look at your screen. They're going to ask you to press the S button on the keyboard and the F key on the keyboard. We want to take a look to make sure that your heights and your tool paths are correct. You can press the Escape key then on the keyboard or press the Exit key. Then we want to jog. Jogging gets the computer and the CNC Mill to talk to one another. We want to make sure that X is 0, Y is 0, and Z is 0, so that where the mill bit is starting is the origin location. Press Exit Jog. And now you are ready to click the Start button when your part is loaded into the mill. Congratulations, you are finished.